Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL 305I, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone dialer. Then go to Contacts and select the contact that you want to personalize. Now click on Edit, mark profile picture, and now you can either choose some default graphic or select something from your gallery. Now customize the picture however you like, select Done, and that's it, as you can see. Okay, so just we need to save it. Here, okay, so here you've got the confirmation mark. It is not clearly visible here due to the blue background, but here you've got it. And click here one more time. And that's it. As you can see, profile picture is assigned to this contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.